Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold gain 0.9% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair rose 0.9% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's main indexes finished lower, fueled by a decline in AI leader Nvidia that weighed on tech stocks, as investors looked ahead to a crucial inflation report set for later this week. Nvidia fell after China's market regulator launched an investigation into the chip maker over suspected violation of anti-monopoly law. Cryptocurrency investment products set a record for inflows as Bitcoin surged past $100,000 for the first time ever. Digital asset investment products saw their largest inflows on record, with $3.85 billion invested during the trading week of December the 2nd to the 6th. According to a report by CoinShares. Oracle missed Wall Street expectations for second quarter revenue, hit by softer spending on its database and cloud services, as enterprise clients slash budgets amid an uncertain economy, sending its shares down over 9% in extended trading.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behavior and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss, or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.